Connection method of reflow soldering power cord. Used to be R, S, T. Now L1, L2, L3 is the live wire. L1, L2, L3 are the live wires and N is the zero wire. This is the ground wire which connects here. This is a 380 volts power cord, which is very dangerous. This is the main power switch. Before we connect the 380 volts power cord, we must first turn off the main power switch. Next, introduce the connection method of UPS power cord and signal cable. This is the UPS signal cable. This UPS signal line has no distinction in direction, and the two signal lines are directly connected. Then connect the white plug to the black socket. It can only be connected to black sockets. The white socket cannot be connected to the power cord. The UPS power supply is probably connected. Connect the signal cable, connect the white plug to the black socket, and connect the black plug to the white socket. Pay attention to the connection method of these two power cords. This is the signal line. This is the connection method of the power host, and the blue one is the combination lock. The machine cannot be used without this. Let's check the connection method of this computer host power cord, network cable, mouse and keyboard. These two plugs are for the computer host and monitor. The connection method of the power supply is the same as that of our own computer. The power cord is connected between the monitor and the computer host. You only need to connect these when installing the machine. Others are gone. How can the machine be turned on and used? We first press the machine power switch and then press the computer host power supply. Let's press this power switch first. If the computer does not start, then press the computer host switch. If you don't understand, feel free to contact us. www.jhimes.com